I'm Jennifer Van Berklio, online editor for Power Engineering. AEP Ohio filed an expanded power purchase agreement for 4 coal-fired power plants. The proposed PPA includes an agreement involving 2,700 megawatts of generation in the state. Those facilities are the Cardinal Unit 1, Conesville Units 4, 5, and 6, Stewart's Units 1 through 4, and Zimmer Unit 1. In turn, AEP Ohio would build all of the energy, capacity, and ancillary services associated with those units into the PJM market and pass along the net benefits to customers through the proposed PPA. The agreement is being proposed for the remaining life of the units. R&DCook and Schneider Electric signed a research and development agreement to develop a new energy storage solution called the Flow Battery. The project will be funded by the European Union as part of the KIC InnoEnergy Flowbox project. It aims to optimize an existing 50 kilowatts flow battery prototype designed by InStorage to a 150 kilowatts demonstration module. The flow battery will be designed to produce and store electricity by combining hydrobromic acid and hydrogen. R&DCook will lead the project, manufacturing, integrating, and installing of the storage solution, and Schneider Electric will design, manufacture, and install the power conversion system. Now let's shoot over to Sharon Dotson, editor of Nuclear Power International magazine, for today's nuclear headline.
Thanks, Jennifer. The Donald C. Cook nuclear plant in Michigan recently had a spent fuel pool instrumentation system installed by Moore Test and Measurement LLC. In response to the Fukushima accident in 2011, the U.S. NRC has required all U.S. nuclear plants to install reliable spent fuel pool instrumentation to detect changes in spent fuel pool water levels. The spent fuel pools are where spent nuclear fuel rods are stored and cooled. Each pool is required to be equipped with independent primary and backup SFPI channels to ensure reliability. The system is designed for installation in both boiling water reactor and pressurized water reactor spent fuel pools. That's your nuclear news for today. I'm Sharon Dotson, editor of Nuclear Power International magazine.
Thanks, Sharon. In other news, Duke Energy has announced the creation of 2 groups to help guide the company's strategy around coal ash storage solutions and coal combustion products. This news comes after the Dan River coal ash spill and plans to close 32 coal ash basins in North Carolina. The National Ash Management Advisory Board will be managed by the University of North Carolina, while the Coal Combustion Product Organization will be led by George Hamrick, who recently served as site vice president for the Brunswick Nuclear Power Plant. The groups will oversee ash basin facility improvements, provide oversight of wastewater and cooling pond maintenance, and manage beneficial reuse opportunities for coal ash. We've got some great news. Our sister publications have extended their awards deadlines. If you haven't sent in your nominations for Power Grid International's Projects of the Year or Electric Light and Power CEOs of the Year, you now have until October 15th. Categories for Projects of the Year are Smart Grid, Customer Engagement, Renewable Grid Integration, and Demand Response and Energy Efficiency. There are 2 categories for CEOs of the Year: CEOs within a large utility that serves at least 400,000 customers, and CEOs within a smaller utility that serves fewer than 400,000 customers. Details are at elp.com. Just look for the banners near the top of the homepage and click on Submit Your Entry. Winners will be recognized at Distributech in February and will be featured in the magazines. Well, that's your power generation news for now. Thanks for watching, and be sure to look for this newscast twice a week on the Power Engineering website. And you can always connect with our editors and join in on the discussions on Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter. For Power Engineering News, I'm Jennifer Van Berklio.